Today's video is Easy Rock Painting Tutorial for Beginners, Hearts, Part 2, Applying the Details. The steps that I'm going to go over with you are only suggestions and ideas of what you can do. If you want to do something different, it's totally up to you. It's your stone. It's your new masterpiece. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. It's always a pleasure. If you're new to my channel, hi. This is George on the Rocks, where I share ideas, tips, and suggestions on how you may explore the art of rock painting. If you want to receive future rock painting videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss out. I used two pens today. One is a Micron and the other one is a blue Posca pen. While the painting is fine by itself, the ink work gives it more definition and can take the stone to a whole new level. I used the light blue Posca pen to create borders around the clouds and then some swirls within the clouds. Using a fine lining brush and titanium white, paint in a highlight. You already have the highlight you painted in previously, but using the titanium white this way will give it a bit more of a pop. Using a Micron pen, either a 3 or a 5 point. In this case, I'm using 5. Follow along on how I'm doing it, but remember, you can do whatever you want. I'm just offering suggestions. I'm drawing a border around the heart and the plant. Add some curlicues and swirls. Just have fun doing it. Here I'm drawing in a little bit of grass-like structures, just giving the plant a little bit more personality. Gotta have my dots. And a little bit more detail. Gotta love those details. And those smaller hearts are looking a little lonely, so we'll add some details to them as well. To give the horizon line a bit more definition and detail, I applied some crosshatch on both sides. and of course, some more details. And of course, what would be a rock painting without dots. Now, I'm using gold here, but you can also use white, purple, green, blue, what other colors are in the painting itself. Although it could work, you don't want to introduce any more colors than are already in the painting. Using colors that are already in the painting produces a more cohesive rock painting. And now it's time to sign your masterpiece. If you liked this video, check out the video in the iCard. I show you 3 variations I painted using the same design. Remember to celebrate each other, celebrate your inner creative voice, and paint along the way.